2.
What's up, guys? Kris Gethin here, and we've got some special guests today for this gun show. This is Mike, what up? And we've got his uncle, would you believe it? An uncle, you look about the same age.
Thank you.
That have been flown out here based on a competition that we put out a couple of months ago that you'd probably remember because hopefully you were all entered. However, these two won it. Okay, Mike actually won it and he got a guest out and he brought his uncle, so God knows if you're going to have a girlfriend when you go back.
I hope so.
Okay.
I think she's watching too.
And so do you want to introduce yourself, guys? Just tell them where you've come from to get here today and what we're going to do.
Awesome. My name is Mike Mahoney. I came all the way from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and we're getting ready to get a sweet arm pump in.
My name is Nick Barr. I'm also from Philadelphia, home of the Super Bowl champs.
Just to throw that in there.
Just to throw it out there. We're going to do buys and tries today. It should be a great time.
Yeah, so we're going to be hitting supersets today. We already went for breakfast, my favorite breakfast joint. Had ourselves some beautiful egg white burritos. We are here getting ready for our workout. Make sure that you tune into the BBCom Facebook and YouTube because we are about to go live and I'm going to be filling up this bad boy with all these beautiful supplements on tap. We're going to get straight into this workout. We're going to start off with standing cable curls and then straight on to tricep cable extensions. You'll probably notice me do this exercise very often in my workouts. I believe these two exercises and sometimes dumbbell curls are the perfect way to warm up the joints, the connective areas, the connective tissue, to get the synovial fluid within the joints before we stress it with things like overheads and dumbbells and barbells and stuff like that, okay? So we got our in-cage in us right now, or we're sitting on it. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'll go first, I'll lead, okay?
Sounds good.
So we're probably going to be hitting around 20 reps. 20 reps I feel is going to be a sweet spot. I am still sort of recovering from my shoulder surgery 3 months ago. So I think I'm up to a relatively decent weight now. So let's stress these bad boys. Up to the chin and back down. Elbows tight to your side. I like to hold on to the outside camber here as well to take less stress off the bicep tendon. Man, that felt a little bit heavy, but I couldn't crumble under pressure. I had to get it done. You guys are watching. Now I like to hold onto the handles right near the inside here. I just think that puts your elbow joints into a better biomechanical position and it better activates the outer head of the tricep. Oh, I feel like I could have eaten that burrito a little bit close to my workout. Maybe revisiting that a little bit later. All right, you want to get into it, Mike? Sure. 20 of them, buddy. Elbows tight to your side. Hold on to that camber. Chest up to your chin. That's it. Good. Perfect. And good contraction. After 10 reps, I want you to put it down. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm going to make it heavier because I can see it's way too light for you. So if in doubt, go heavy. 5, 6, is that 6 now? 7, 8, 9, 10, give me 5 more. 21, 22, 23, good.
Got it.
24, perfect. 25. Okay, so that was his sacrifice. He had to do 5 more reps because it shows a light. Watch that bar hit your head.
Yep.
That was too light. So you're always got to be fighting, just like people probably go onto Instagram, they say on average around 100 times a day. Insane. You have the same amount of thoughts of doubt, excuse, weakness that hold you back throughout the day. So just like you have to stay away from your Instagram account all the time so you're not distracted, you have to keep reminding yourself that you can have the potential to do so much more than what your mind actually tells you. So that's why I always say, within the realms of saying injury-free, if in doubt, go heavier. What's up guys, Kris Gethin here. So today has been a very, very good day. We picked up the winner of a competition and his guest of a competition that we held in conjunction with KAGEDMUSCLE and bodybuilding.com, and we chose a winner who happened to be from Philadelphia that we flew in. They came here yesterday. They're at the BBCom offices. This morning after our swim we met up with them at my favorite breakfast joint, which is called Big City Coffee. And then we had a workout at the bodybuilding.com gym. It was a live workout that was on Facebook, on their YouTube, and we hit arms. Had a great session there, followed by our re-caged and then a poke bowl. I had ahi tuna. I think those guys had chicken. And now this afternoon, we are at my favorite dinner place, and that's called Barbacoa. They do an awesome sizzling steak here, so I know that they're already there. We're allowing little puppy to have a bit of a feed here before we go in, because we got puppy preschool straight after this. So let's feed up so we can get through that class.